So what makes a discovery as a piece of research different to what you might be familiar with? If you've ever taken part in a piece of research before, you'll know that between actually getting your idea together and then doing the research and then getting it out into the public takes months, maybe years. This is different because we're working very intensively over 12 weeks from start to finish. So at the start, we got together, thought about what questions we wanted to answer so that we could make a start. We went out then and recruited people to be able to speak to. We've got a team of user researchers, a service designer, a manager to keep everything going and working together. And then it's iterative. So we keep showing and telling what is found out every 2 weeks during that time. And you have a chance to come and listen and hear about the questions that we're asking and the answers we're getting and give your feedback on it. That is really important. We don't want it to be at the end that people hear what we found out. We want it to be as we're going along, because you have the chance to shape what we're doing and to give us feedback on what we're learning. That's what makes a discovery so really, really useful whenever you're trying to do things at pace, which you often are whenever you're developing a piece of technology or figuring out how technology can support the delivery of services. So if you'd like to come along and hear about what we're doing and what we're finding out, please just drop us a line and we'll get you an invite. See you there.